Elon Musk launches X.AI to fight ChatGPT. Woke AI says Twitter is break even. Well, the Twitter break even thing, he pretty much said during that past interview, the BBC interview. The X thing we've been following a little bit with him having that URL, not doing much with it, and then that court case, which kind of exposed the fact that Twitter was considering itself under the umbrella of X. X is for everything in the world of tech billionaire Elon Musk. It's the name of his child with pop star Grimes. Yeah, you're right about that. It's also this new company called X.AI. The company is incorporated in Nevada on March 9th, where Twitter's parent X Corp is now registered, as first reported by the Wall Street Journal. And Elon Musk is listed as the sole associate. Where are you going? You're going to see if it's up?
I just want to check out the site.
Is it up? No, you ain't got a site yet.
It's not there.
No site. X.com is there.
Yeah.
Elon Musk is listed as a sole director on the state filing. But it looks like there's somebody else. What is this? Jared Burchell is listed as secretary. He's the CEO of Musk's chip implant company, Neuralink. Bring the AI direct to the brain.
They're going to come hand in hand. Neuralink and Elon's AI.
Bring the AI directly to the brain. I want you to read the next guy's name for me because you're going to have too much fun.
Igor Babushkin.
Oh, I knew you were going to love it.
Yeah.
And I let you have it. I wanted to do it, but I let you have it.
Oh, you can say it as well.
No, I can't. It's a one-time deal. And I just love to see the joy in your face there, Will, as you have the pleasure of saying that name.
Yeah.
Can we get one more from you?
Igor Babushkin.
Oh, my goodness gracious. Good Lord. It's a beauty. Somebody says, I preferred the word leatherette. Will? Leatherette.
Better.
Better.
But no leather. Take out the leather.
So Igor Babushkin is a Silicon Valley AI senior research engineer from Google's sister company DeepMind and has been hired to head the effort at X.AI. They're like, go get that guy. DeepMind engineer Manuel Croas is another key XAI hire who co-authored the 2021 DeepMind paper, Launchpad, a programming model for distributed machine learning research. Oof, they're going for it. Purchased 10,000 GPUs. Got the name going, hired the key individuals. If GPT, we be coming for you. And we put it straight to the brain with the Neuralink. We go straight in. See, look at the later case ad at the top of this page. See? The different colors. Right? We have different colors.
Yeah.
And one of them is 28% off.
Okay.
What do you go for? You go just for the black one? I can't remember.
The black or I would try the coffee. I think I've tried the coffee.
Pretty cool,
flavor.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.